Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Chandra and this is going to be my lab 6 of the day, and it's about the continue of connecting to Firebase, which is basically same as lab 5, but it's it will be connected when it's logging to the lab landing page. So what can I see here when I refer to the video from YouTube, it requires a password requires to log in with your email address, your password. But if there's an error for the email, it says error is required. Please enter a valid email. And for password is required. And minimum password length is 10 characters. You have to be maximized 10 characters. If it's less than that, it will show the error. And then after that, when sign in, email and password, and then use the start ID with landing page. If it's late to load, it will show the text failed to log in. Please check your credentials. Now I'm going to show my landing page. Here, what I have here, I add the landing page. Okay, you can see here, after it will loading, it will show welcome Daniel Chandra. And here's just the normal one. Just I add the text view. After I log in, it will show the text like this. So now what I'm going to do is to run the app. As usual, wait for a while. Okay, now we have already run it. So when I click here, if for example we will show the errors first. You can see, please enter a valid email. Okay, so I'm going to enter the email. Now let's try the password. Hopefully you see the error first. And you can see here the error is there. Minimum length is 10 characters. So all I have to do is put the password with more than 10 characters. Okay, after that, after I log in, you have to wait for progress. Okay, it will show the landing page. It will says here, welcome Daniel Chandra, which that means the login page is successfully logged in. So this is the way how I did for the landing page. So that's all for now. So thank you, and please enjoy the video.